Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something electric, literally. Meet the 2026 Toyota CHR Plus, the fully revamped, all-electric version of Toyota's coolest compact crossover. This isn't just an update, it's a total game changer. Buckle up, because I'm about to take you through everything that's new, exciting, and downright awesome about this ride. Let's dive in. First off, look at this design. The CHR has always been the funky kid on the block, and the 2026 model cranks that up to 11. You've got those sleek, aerodynamic lines, a coupe-like silhouette, and a front end that screams modern EV. No grille, just pure attitude. The LED headlights? Razor sharp. And check out the rear, those taillights and that slick spoiler. It's like Toyota said, let's make it bold and beautiful. This thing turns heads wherever it goes. Now, let's talk power. The CHR Plus is built on Toyota's ET&GA platform, and it's got options. You can go with a 57.7 kilowatt-hour battery for a solid 165 horsepower, or step up to the 77 kilowatt-hour pack with 221 horses and front-wheel drive. But if you want to feel the rush, the dual-motor, all-wheel drive version pumps out 338 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 5.2 seconds. And the range? Up to 370 miles WLTP. That's road trip ready, folks. Halfway through, and I'm loving this thing already. If you're enjoying this review, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. Tell me what you think of the CHR Plus so far. Your support keeps this channel rolling, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Inside, it's a whole new vibe. Spacious, premium, and packed with tech. You've got a big central touchscreen, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and even a JBL sound system that'll make your playlist pop. Dual wireless chargers, USB ports for the back seats, and a panoramic roof? Toyota's throwing in the good stuff. Oh, and the trunk? For 116 liters, plenty of room for your gear. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Toyota CHR Plus isn't just an update. It's Toyota saying, we're here to compete. It's got style, power, and that electric edge to take on rivals like the VW ID.4 or Hyundai Ioniq 5. Prices might start around 35 grand in Europe, with the top trim pushing 50, but for what you're getting, it feels like a steal. This is the CHR Reborn, and I'm obsessed. What do you think? Would you drive one? Let me know in the comments, and stick around for more reviews. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, fam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Catch you later. Thanks for watching, gearheads. Hit that like button if the Adara's got you hyped, and I'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe.